14-year-old Zinedine Carlton was struck by a stray bullet near his Hanover Park home.
Call for the army to be deployed in the most dangerous neighborhoods in Cape Town. In the past week alone, 18 people are reported to have been killed in gang violence in Manhattan.
The daily news of deadly gang violence takes Anthea Smith back to the Friday night her 15-year-old son got caught in a drive-by shooting.
When I saw my child just lying there, I nearly lost my mind. He had done nothing wrong. I picked up his body, loaded him into a car, and took him to the hospital.
The shooting left Keegan brain dead.
Doctors said there was nothing more they could do for him. Parts of his brain were missing. So I had to turn the machines off. I'm too afraid to leave my house. You just never know when they'll show up with their guns and start shooting again.
The Cape Flats is caught in a vortex of violence. Rival street gangs wage round-the-clock gun battles over drug turf. Bullets tear through homes, playgrounds, and the bodies of children. Some have become famous, their faces in newspapers and on social media, because they're dead. Funerals for the fallen are packed to capacity. Community solidarity with the family of the latest victim, 14-year-old Zinedine Carlton, killed in gang crossfire. Outside, Fatima Blankenberg circulates a petition asking the mayor and President Jacob Zuma's government to intervene.
We are fed up with these gangs. We want the government to come in and put a stop to it.
I lost my son 4 years back. He was gunned down 2 doors away from my house. He was no gangster. We still don't know the reason why he was shot. But the perpetrator got 33 years for killing my son.
Mary Claassen is part of a support group helping grieving mothers find comfort and closure.
I've got justice, and I want justice for each mother that lost a son, or even the daughter.
At a children's hospital across town, one mother wants more than justice. She's hoping for a miracle. Melitha Telmarks's 5-year-old daughter, Ashlyn, was caught in a gang shootout on the playground. The bullet damaged Ashlyn's spine, bladder, colon, kidney and lung, exiting through her abdomen, leaving her paralyzed.
Her kidney was sticking out of her body. Doctors told me there was poison on the bullet. That's what these gangs do now. They spray their bullets with insecticide. They want their victims to suffer before they die. So my child suffered.
Telmark says life in Hanover Park is hell.
I will never take my daughter back to Hanover Park. We would rather sleep on the streets. That is no place for a human being, much less a child.
The ordeal has left Telmarks without a job or a home, but she's grateful her daughter survived. Because there are so many who live with unimaginable loss and grief. This is the reality of families living through Cape Town's gang wars. Sometimes a mother's prayer is answered. After months in a wheelchair, Ashlyn is learning to walk again.